Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Such a delightful, charming couple from Tasmania, Australia came to cook with me today. Together we prepare bumbu genep, iga bakar bumbu Bali, bakso babi bumbu Bali, cukut bejek, perkedel kentang, and soto ayam. Thank you so much for coming. Hope you will visit us again soon. Matur suksema. Join with me on your next visit to my beautiful island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class too. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur suksema.